How to clip on PC. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
And you can do this on literally any game you play. Just bear in mind, if you're someone who really cares about your FPS and stuff, you are going to get a slight performance decrease because technically your PC is going to constantly be recording your gameplay in the background, and then that's how you're going to be able to clip whenever you need to. So what you want to do is have your your Nvidia app ready. So if you haven't, what you want to do is go ahead and go to your Nvidia app like so. Wait for it to open up. So mine is right here. I'm just going to open it full screen. Go over to your settings. Make sure NVIDIA overlay is turned on. You don't need game filters and photo mode on. And then what you want to do once that's on, you can, close out of that completely if you want to. And then if I just press Alt and Z together, I see this page right here. And if I want to go ahead and clip something, it's basically going to be instant replay. So I want to make sure this is toggled on. Now it says instant replay is on. Now I can just configure everything as well if I want to. I have to turn it off momentarily and I'll be able to change all of these different things. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.